I'm Aaliyah, and today I'm going to be talking about brokerage accounts in under 1 minute, brought to you by Our Rich Journey. A brokerage account is an investment account that you can open up with a brokerage firm. You put money into a brokerage account in order to buy and sell investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. You typically pay a stockbroker a commission for this, which ranges from $5 to $10 per trade. You can open a brokerage account with an online broker. Remember that not all brokerage accounts are the same. In addition to researching commission fees, make sure you also look into minimum deposits when opening your account. Some brokerage accounts require a minimum deposit. Some brokerage accounts also charge annual fees and inactivity fees. Keep all these in mind when you're deciding which brokerage account is the best for you. So there you have it, all in 1 minute. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and join the journey.